Okay, let's go.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday English with Mark and Anna. I'm Mark, your English teacher.
And I'm Anna, your English friend. Hi, everyone.
Today, we're going to learn some very important English words and sentences, the kind that you use every single day.
That's right. We'll talk about greetings, numbers, days of the week, common objects, food, and daily activities.
Yes, and we'll practice together. So, dear listener, repeat after us when we say, repeat after me.
Are you ready?
Let's get started. Let's start with greetings. These are the first words we use when we meet people.
Like hello or good morning.
Exactly. Let's go over some common greetings. I'll say them first, and then we'll say them together. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night.
And don't forget, good night is for when you're going to sleep.
Right. Now, dear listener, it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night.
Good job. Now let's try short conversations.
Hello, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Now you, listener, repeat with me. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm good, thanks.
Very good.
Mark, how do we say goodbye in English?
Ah, yes, that's important too. You can say goodbye, bye, see you later, take care, have a nice day.
Let's repeat them together. Goodbye, bye, see you later, take care, have a nice day.
Excellent.
Okay, now let's learn numbers because we use them every day for time, money, age, and more.
Yes. Let's start from 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Again, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, listener, your turn. Repeat after me.
Now let's go from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Excellent. Let's count together from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow! That's a lot of numbers.
Yes, but we can use them easily.
For example, Mark, how old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
And I'm 25 years old.
Now you try. Say, I am years old. Great job.
Numbers are also for prices. For example, it's $5 or it's 10 euros.
Or for time, like it's 7 o'clock.
Yes, numbers are everywhere.
Okay, now let's talk about days of the week.
There are 7 days in a week. Let's say them slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Again, one more time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Now, listener, repeat after us.
Great!
Mark, what's your favorite day?
I think Friday, because it's almost the weekend.
Me too. I love Saturday. Time to relax.
Let's make short sentences for each day. On Monday, I work. On Tuesday, I study English. On Wednesday, I cook dinner. On Thursday, I go to the gym. On Friday, I watch movies. On Saturday, I go shopping. On Sunday, I sleep a lot.
Perfect.
Now you try. Repeat the sentences or make your own.
Very nice.
Now let's learn some common objects, things we use every day.
Yes, like things in your room, school, or office.
Okay, listen and repeat. Book, pen, pencil, table, chair, phone, bag, key, computer, cup.
Now faster. Book, pen, pencil, table, chair, phone, bag, key, computer, cup.
Let's make a short game. I'll say a word, and you say what color it is.
Oh, fun!
For example, book. What color is your book?
My book is blue.
Good. Now, listener, what color is your chair?
What color is your bag?
What color is your phone?
Great practice.
You can say, my bag is black. My chair is brown. My phone is white.
That's how you make sentences with objects.
Now let's talk about food, my favorite topic.
Me too. I love food.
Let's start with some basic words. Repeat after us.
Apple, banana, orange, bread, rice, fish, chicken, egg, milk, water.
Excellent.
Now, let's make some sentences.
I eat an apple. I like rice. I drink milk. I don't like fish. I love chicken.
Now you try, listener. Say, I like blank. Say, I don't like blank.
Great.
Mark, what's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Me too. But without pineapple, please.
Agreed.
You can also talk about meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yes. For example, for breakfast, I eat eggs. For lunch, I eat rice and chicken. For dinner, I eat soup and bread.
Now, listener, what do you eat for breakfast?
What do you eat for lunch?
And what do you eat for dinner?
Very good.
Now let's talk about daily activities, the things we do every day.
Yes. Listen carefully and repeat. Wake up. Get up. Take a shower. Brush my teeth. Have breakfast. Go to work. Study English. Have lunch. Go home. Watch TV. Go to bed.
Let's make some sentences.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I go to work. I have lunch at 1. I go home at 6. I eat dinner. I go to bed at 10.
Now you, listener, repeat after us.
Now let's practice a short dialogue. What time do you wake up, Anna?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and drink milk.
Very nice. And what do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and go to bed at 10.
Now you, listener, Try seeing your own answers. Okay, great work today, everyone.
Let's review everything we learned.
We learned greetings and introductions, numbers from 1 to 20, days of the week, common objects, food words, and daily activities.
Yes, let's do a quick quiz for fun.
Okay, question 1. What do you say in the morning?
Good morning.
Question 2. How do you say the number after 7?
8.
Question 3. What day comes after Friday?
Saturday.
Question 4. Name one object in your room.
Maybe a book, a chair, a computer?
Yes.
Question 5. What food do you like?
Pizza, rice, apples. All good answers.
Question 6. What do you do every morning?
I wake up, I brush my teeth, I have breakfast.
Great.
Now, one last time, let's say goodbye together.
Goodbye.
See you next time and keep practicing your English every day.
Yes, speak, listen, repeat, and smile.
This was Everyday English with Mark and Anna.
See you soon, friends.